Damn, I be looking real good for a baked potato. Alright, I'm so hungry. It's time for breakfast. What should I eat? What should I eat? This kale smoothie? Nah. Or this antioxidant rich broccoli? Oh, perfect! Ice cream sandwich. Alright, let's go for a walk, Gomi. It's really hot today. Alright, it's time for this baked potato to turn into french fries. Starting off with SPF, and then I use a BB cream because I have acne prone skin and foundation just breaks me out even more. So now I'm using this Milk Makeup concealer, and I just started using concealer, so I don't really know if I'm using this right, but here it is. And next I use this Maybelline Brow Precise. It's kind of like the boy brow, but I feel like it's even better because it's so fibrous. I still don't know how to do my eyebrows, guys, so leave me alone, please. But I just got this Goof Proof Benefit brow pencil, and I don't know, I just pretend like I know how to draw on my brows, so that's what I'm doing here.
Why they call me acid, but keep my name off your tongue, cause I've been known to go off in a rage and do it in cold blood.
So y'all know nothing but oranges and browns go on these lids, so I'm doing my one eyeshadow look, if that makes any sense at all. Just put all this one color over my lids, and then I blend it out. It's super easy. It takes me probably 1 to 2 minutes to do my eyeshadow because I'm a lazy girl, and this is the point of the struggle to the snatch. And then I use the Heroine Eyeliner, and I got this in Japan, or no, I got this in China, and it's I think 12 bucks. Go get it on Amazon because I don't know where you can get it in the States, but I like it. It's a brush tip. It reminds me of the tattoo eyeliner, but it's way cheaper. Gotta love that KUSH mascara. I got this from Milk Makeup, and it's made with CBD oil, and surprisingly it actually really does lengthen and volume my lashes. I have pretty long lashes for an Asian person actually, but they just get stuck under all of my eye fat. It's kind of like the world balances itself out.
Do with the flower, smash a grill with the daffodil, and every motherfucker that be acting ill. Use a sledgehammer.
Then with the blending brush, I just take a little bit of that highlighter shadow, and I highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes, and it just kind of helps to blend out the eyeshadow a little bit more.
White capote, hand me the pipe so I can smoke peyote, until I start seeing blue coyotes, until I come up with a new emoji, the slit throat, cause life's a sick joke, that's why I smoke cigs and sniff coke. I saw you at the disco.
After some good old highlighting, I'm gonna take this cream bronzer from Milk, and I used to not do this, but I'm starting to do it recently because Sandy did this when she did my makeup for our monolid makeup swap video, which you can watch here in the cards. But she contoured my nose, my cheeks, mainly my nose, which I thought was amazing because it looked like I got a nose job overnight. So I honestly really don't know what I'm doing here, but that's what she did, so I'm just copying her. This is NARS's Orgasm Blush, and did you know if you write orgasm in the description box of your YouTube video, YouTube will demonetize your video? Yes, folks, yes. And if you're not drowning your face in primer water or setting spray, are you even putting setting spray on?
Drown yourself.
I am a Sephora collection brand ambassador for 2018, and I'm being a good little ambassador by pushing their products. No, but seriously, this is one of my favorite lip products of all time, and you guys know I love lip products. I love this because it has an amazing cream to matte formula. It's super pigmented and it stays on. Every one of my friends knows I've been pushing this product on them, and they've tried it and they love it. It's amazing. It's 14 bucks, so I've been using this non-stop since I got these.
White
Moving on into hair, I only use really 2 products, and that is a heat protectant or primer and a hair oil. And I use drugstore products, I use high-end products, whatever the companies are gonna send to me, I will use it. I do not discriminate against hair products as long as I have them. And then I just spray it and then brush out my hair. I have very pin straight, long, thick hair. It is genetics, but I use the T3 micro curling iron, and I kid you not, this is the best curling iron out there. My hair game has changed so much just because of it. It is an investment piece, but it is worth it. I highly recommend it. There's pretty much no rhyme or reason to this except for the fact that the pieces that frame my face, I curl outwards and then I just shake my hair, put hair oil in it, and that's how it looks so soft a lot of the time. Getting dressed was pretty easy. I just put all 3 of my recent favorite trends together. That's blazers, fanny packs, and python. Anything python.